Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Facebook. And in today's video, I will show you how to access Facebook Help Center to solve any Facebook problem as far as Facebook is concerned. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do, if you know you have any problem about your Facebook, maybe Facebook account, Facebook ad, Facebook page, or whatever Facebook issue you may have, this is the right way to contact Facebook Help Center for support. So for that, open up your Facebook app. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this three slider. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Help and Support. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Support. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on Help Center. Then here you go. Scroll down right here. If you cannot find anything related to your Facebook problem, you want to speak with the Facebook Center support woman, simply scroll down right here and make sure you go ahead and click on Visit Business Help Center. Go ahead and click on it, and it's going to take you right here. Okay, if you scroll down right here and you cannot find anything related to your Facebook problem right here, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to Get Support right here. Go ahead and click on Get Support. Then here you go. Personalized help, choose for you. Troubleshoot a disabled or restricted account. Fix a failed payment issue or matter about advertising restriction. You can scroll down right here and read detail as some of this is concerned. Okay, now if your issue has to do with troubleshoot a disabled account, click on it, and then in a few seconds you are going to see how you can troubleshoot or fix a restricted Facebook page account or ad account issue in your Facebook support right here. So troubleshoot a disabled or restricted account, you can read details right here, just like so. It's just about 4 stages. Confirm your identity, complete verification, secure your account, and request a review. These are just 4 steps for our account troubleshoot. You can scroll down right here and read details, just like so. You can see it right here. You can read as many as possible different issues about Facebook as far as this is concerned. However, if you cannot find the result on what exactly you are looking for, you can use this chat box right here, which allow you to simply connect, and it's going to present you with different accounts. Select an account and get started with the app. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Facebook support like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.